Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the grass floor permit in Heartopia so you can create beautiful grass floor in your builds. The process is actually very simple. First, just open the card menu, this one, the card menu, and then just tap on the Fashions Live, and then just tap on Building Materials, and then in here you can see the grass crown, building permit of grass crown or grass floor. And then in here you can just purchase it. This permit costs around 30 Moonlike Crystal. This crystal, you can buy it with this crystal, and you can and then you can get this crystal from the daily login in the game. So make sure you have enough before buying it. And then once the purchase is complete, the grass floor permit will be unlocked permanently, and it will add it to your build mode, and it will allowing you to use grass flooring in your future building projects. And that's basically it. Now you know how to unlock the grass floor permit in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!